Welcome to our quick dive into the fascinating world of mental health and the science behind it. Let's start with psychodynamics. Think of it as the mind's own soap opera, where unconscious drives and early experiences shape our behaviors and feelings. But don't worry, we're not just diving into the deep end. We're also exploring how modern science offers some pretty cool tools to understand and treat mental health issues. Ever heard of psychopharmacology? That's the science of how medications like antidepressants or antipsychotics work to help balance brain chemistry. Speaking of balance, behavioral modification is like training your brain's muscles, changing habits through reinforcement and learning, while cognitive therapies help rewire thought patterns, turning negative thinking into positive values. It's all about understanding the mind's mechanistic pathways, like how different parts of your brain work together to keep you functioning. Let's take a step back and consider the big picture. Ontogenetic refers to how an individual develops over their lifetime, while phylogenetic looks at how species evolve over generations. Both are crucial for understanding the function of our brains and behaviors, because after all, our mental health is woven into our evolutionary story. But it's not just about the brain. Our bodies and environment play roles too. Pathogens, pesky germs can impact our immune function, which is our body's defense squad. Sanitation and immunization are like the cleaning crew and security checks that keeps us healthy, reducing the risk of illness that can stress our systems. And social status or psychosocial stress are like life's pressure cooker. They can influence our stress response and in turn our mental health. Speaking of stress, depression is a common guest in our lives, often linked to immune function and how our bodies respond to ongoing stressors. Our life history, which is a story of our individual experiences, and the life history theory framework help explain why certain traits or vulnerabilities persist. For example, our bodies produce catecholamines like adrenaline and monoamines such as dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, those chemical messengers that help us feel alert, happy, or stressed. Serotonin deficiency has been linked to mood disorders, and there's a whole hypothesis, the monoamine deficiency hypothesis, that suggests low levels of these chemicals contribute to depression. Scientists have even looked into monoamine pathways, routes in the brain where these chemicals travel, and how their concentrations affect our mood and cognition. To map all this out, scientists perform gene mapping studies which look at DNA sequences, variations to understand how specific genes influence phenotypes, traits we see, like mood, behavior, or susceptible to illness. So in a nutshell, the science of mental health is a mix of biology, psychology, and environment. Thanks for joining this quick tour through the fascinating science behind mental health. Stay curious.